Good morning to one and all. In this scintillating morning, I am going to discuss about Indian Prime Minister visit to Indonesia. In the past few days, several important geopolitical developments have taken place, and these geopolitical developments, especially if I talk about, it was related to Indian Prime Minister visit to Indonesia, New Zealand, Australia, and before that, Japanese Prime Minister have arrived in India in the 16th annual conference between India and Japan. So that shows that how we are moving towards these maritime nations, especially when the Quad relevance is going down. Because US President Donald Trump is moving towards the cooperation with China, and he has also mentioned G2 several times in his previous outings. So if I talk about this visit particularly with Indonesia, there has been several key takeaways. First is the development of the Sabang port. The joint development of Sabang port, which is just 100 nautical miles from India's southern point, that is Indra Point. So that shows the cooperation, joint development, better employment to the people, integration of artificial intelligence, digital public infrastructure, and provide a people-to-people contact. Another one is the UPI. UPI is one of the most prominent digital public infrastructure project of India, and several countries have already been acquired and integrated in it themselves to provide a cross-border payment facilitation to Indian tourists to these countries like France, UAE. But if I talk about Indonesia, it is the latest country to integrate this UPI into it. And it is not just integrating it, but it is also taking it as an inspiration to develop their own digital public infrastructure and such type of payment interface to themselves. Another one is the tourism. We have a great people-to-people contact as soft reach to Indonesia. 1.7 million tourists every year visiting Indonesia, particularly Bali. Another one is the cooperation between Election Commission of India with the Election Commission of Indonesia. That shows that democracy is being fostered by these two countries, and both election commissions is going to take inspiration from each other and enhance a better reach and a better facilities for the people, so that there can be no discrepancies in the future, especially in election commission. The next is the IIM Bangalore, which is Indian Institute of Management. That there will be a campus of IIM Bangalore in Indonesia. And this campus is providing a facilitation to Indonesian students to learn in India's elite education institutions. And the major project and the major deal is the India and Indonesia joint development and the joint development projects of defense manufacturing. We are exporting 200 million worth 2 batteries of BrahMos to Indonesia, and air-to-air missile Astra also to Indonesia. Astra is a very fruitful and a very lethal missile which we are integrating into India's Sukhoi aircraft. And the BrahMos is a joint development of India and Russia. For India's defense manufacturing, we have already been exported a lot to the different countries. Like our defense exports have increased by 60% and have reached to 38,000 crore in the year 2025. And this year it is also going to increase. Every day we are having a boom to India's defense manufacturing industry. So that is a very fruitful for us. Especially if I talk about the geopolitical location of Indonesia, it is near the Malacca state, and hence to contain China in the region, it is very important for us to establish relations with these maritime nations, especially these ASEAN countries. And therefore our defense exports to Indonesia, Vietnam and several other countries where China is enhancing its reach. So definitely we will be countering China through this geopolitical development. So for future point of view, it is very important to enhance trade as well between the two countries, and current trade is around $27 billion. And we are looking for a facilitation to reduce the tariffs in the goods trades between India and Indonesia, so that our exports will be increasing to these countries. Next visit and the next video I will make on Indian Prime Minister visit to Australia and New Zealand. Thank you.